Today we are going to learn about comments in JavaScript. So let's start. First of all, the comment starts in JavaScript with double slash. If we write double slash and write anything, then that is comment. And if we don't write that double slash, then it is not comment. So it is only for single line comment. If we want to write multi-line comment, then we can do like this. For example, these are some multi-lines. So we use this symbol. First of all, we write slash and then star, and then at the end also we write slash and then star. So this is the way of writing the multi-line comment in JavaScript. Basically, there are two uses of comment. The first thing is it is used to explain the code. It is used to write why that code is written there. And the second thing is to prevent the execution of code. For example, suppose I have written this. So if I run this, then it will show us hello. That's a very simple thing. Sometimes we don't want to delete this code, but for a short time we want to stop the execution of this. So we can just put the double slash in front like this. Now it becomes comment and it won't run. And finally, if I print this, then nothing shows.